So as part of your choice to select native plants for your garden, one of the benefits that you're going to get is it's going to attract native animals. So these plants will attract bees, native bees, insects like stick insects, lady beetles. You'll get birds coming here as well. And if you're lucky enough to have quenda and other ground animals, they'll come along and they'll really love scurrying in amongst your native plants. One of the best things about choosing native plants is you can choose rare native plants, and it really increases the conservation value and your connection to the movement to save native species. There's a couple of examples. This Chorizema Varium, it's a Perth local and it's threatened, but we've been able to grow it, and you can plant it in your garden. It'll attract the native bees because they love these flowers, but it's also a rare plant. So, you know, you're doing your bit to protect the biodiversity of Perth. One of the other threatened species you could choose is this one, Lechenaultia Superba. It has a beautiful red flower, and as well it will attract your native bees, and you'll be doing your part to protect biodiversity. One of the other things that you'll get when you plant plants like this Banksia, you'll eventually be visited by black cockatoos. Black cockatoos eat the fruit off this Banksia, and if they find this in your garden, you might be treated to a visit by a flock of black cockatoos, which is a real treat. When you plant native species in your garden, you don't just get the chance to support biodiversity, you also get the joy of looking at beautiful plants day in, day out, and it's a real treat.